giving life, like body. She's giving body.
If you know exactly what I wanna do, then I'ma get a business too.
You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. 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 You could bet that, never gotta sweat.
Hey my baby dolls, welcome back to another video. Today I'm showing you guys a unit by Klaiyi hair. They always have a great hair, so I already know I'm gonna love it. So let's just get right into it. You guys know I don't waste no time. So of course I'm showing you guys this hair right out of the box. Okay, this is their HD glueless lace wig. Look how amazing that looks. This is a 5x5 room of lace. It is pre-plucked for you. The lace is pre-cut and the knots are very small, which gives a more realistic hairline. Look how amazing that looks. So this is going to be a very quick and easy install, I guess you could say, but it's not like really an install because it's literally going to be so quick and easy. This looks amazing. The texture is light Yaki texture. Is super soft, and this mimics my real hair texture, so I love a Yaki texture because it just really matches well with my hair texture. So when I wear a Yaki wig, it just looks so much more realistic because this is what my hair would look like if I was to do my hair like in a silk press or something like that. This is exactly what it will give. Not as long as this, but yeah. They updated the wig cap so that it is breathable. With the C-shaped design that they created, it's more comfortable to wear and much more breathable. So as you guys can see, that is basically what the C shape is. You got your band inside of the lace. This is stretchy and you can adjust it to your liking. In the back, you still have your adjustable straps, so you can adjust that too as well. So I'm going to jump just right into it. I do want to show you guys what the lace looks like on my hand, on the back of my hand. So just skin to skin, just look how that just basically just melts right on. And that's not even no glue. That is just laying on my skin and it matches perfectly. So I know it's going to look good once we put it on. So I'm going to adjust my straps and then we can figure out what else we're going to do with the unit. I already have a wig cap on, and if you guys see glue on my head, don't mind that. I just recently just took off a wig, so that's why you guys just see glue residue, but that's all.
You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that.
Okay, so right off, as soon as I put it on, it feels very comfortable, and I could tell that that lace lay down really good. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you guys can see. It fits comfortable ear to ear, so nothing is in the way from my ear being comfortable. Love the texture. It's so soft, like I can really just run my hands through this all day. It naturally comes flat. There's no bulkiness. Of course, I will use my hot comb to flatten out certain areas for my liking, but other than that, there's no bulkiness. As you guys can see, it looks really good. Up close and personal with the lace right here, that looks like that is growing from my scalp, but I promise you it's not, and there's no glue. So you guys just saw me put this on without having to apply no glue, no spray. You could just put a little spray if you need to. It's really up to you, but honestly, the way this is laying down, I don't need any. But sometimes what I do is I just grab some holding spray. This is not even adhesive glue spray. This is just holding spray, and it works perfectly fine for my glueless wigs. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and plug up my flat irons and just go through the hair, and then show you guys how I'm gonna style it, because just to show you guys how good this hair looks all in between. So wherever you wherever you part, you're going to have a realistic scalp literally everywhere. So they made this super good. So if I was to part it here, I don't have to pluck. Like, look how good that looks. If I want to do a side part, I can, and just switch it. I can do a side part. So it definitely has some versatility, even though this is just 5x5 from a lace. You have a lot of versatility. Okay, so now that you guys see how good this basically just straightened out, like, oh my god, it even got softer. I'm not gonna lie to you, like, this is really a gorgeous unit. I want to say it's thick, but it's not too thick. Like, it's the perfect density. It's not thin, it's just very full all the way through, even down to the ends of the hair. It's very full. It's not skippy at all. I may have to flat iron the back just a little bit more. I'm not sure. I can't see the back, but this is what the backs look like. This is what the back look like. Very full. This is gorgeous. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do 2 braids here so that you guys can see how good the quality of this lace is. It is HD lace, so I just want you guys to see how good that lace looks and how it's really giving scalp. So hopefully I can do it, like I said, with these nails on. Okay, y'all, as y'all saw a little bit, I can't braid right now because of my nails, and I'm definitely not gonna take my nails off to braid, okay? And that's just what it is. So I'm gonna do a ponytail so I can just show you guys a little bit. But other than that, look at that scalp. Oh my god. So I just came up with a style. I like it. It's really cute. You guys can still see how great that quality of lace is, how you basically can part it where you want to part it. I did show you guys in between. I think that's really the whole point that I was just trying to get you guys to see. I love everything about it. I love the texture of this. It's super soft. I just keep running my hands through it. I have not gotten no shedding. Like, the quality is definitely there. I like the fact that the lace is not lifting. You know, sometimes laces can lift where you need something to hold it down, but I do feel like it's very flat, so you don't need anything to lay this down. Like, I didn't use no glue. As y'all see, I didn't use no glue. There's no glue. There's no glue. There's nothing there but just the lace laying down perfectly on its own. Okay, let me know what you guys think. I will have my full direct link down below and all of the details of this unit I am wearing. So I would definitely say purchase. It's definitely a great purchase, a great investment. If I do have a discount code, it will be linked down below. Let me know what you baby dolls think of this entire unit. I love you guys so much, and I appreciate you all for watching. I'll see you baby dolls in my next video.
Double